Hello, what is up everyone, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300, and as you can see this is from number 4 out of 5 from Hot Wheels haulers, and 61 out of 250. Let's go ahead and open this up. I wonder why this is apart from the Hot Wheels haulers, even though this has nothing to do with hauling for some reason. But yeah, whatever it is, we have the Unimog now returned in this matte brown, which honestly this might be the coolest Unimog color and design that has ever been produced by Mattel. So obviously we had this as the first casting in red, and then secondly I think it was in gray, and then we had a bunch more, I think in blue. We also had in blue, and then they released it in that SWAT type of livery. That's a great looking color as well, but I think this wins the color match, the colors of Unimog obviously. I mean it looks pretty nice, it matches everything, and well, it matches the Unimog style. Yeah, let's take a look at the casting here. So you have these off-road big ginormous wheels in yellow, the rims of course, and then it says heavy rescue service. Basically this is more of like a service truck or vehicle right there, and then it says Hot Wheels right there, and then you have some arrows pointing to the back. I don't know why, maybe to show the wheels, I don't know. And then it says 13 right here at the door in white, and I don't know why it's sort of cut off. It says Unimog at the bottom right here. Maybe they didn't place it very well because the alignment of this yellow stripe to this yellow stripe is different. Maybe they had an issue with the alignment of this casting, I don't know. Hold on, let me check the other side. Oh, the other side is aligned. How is this one? Or did I get an error? Is it always like that? Or is it like an defect? I'm not sure if it's an effect or is mine an error or not. I'm not sure. Because this one is perfectly aligned. I can't even see the Unimog text on the side. Even the 13 is different. I am not sure about that. You have a blacked out hood right here and some yellow stripes pointing towards the windshield in yellow. And yes, this is 13 rescue, obviously Unimog 1300 obviously. And then you have the yellow windshield right there in transparent yellow. You have the front grille in black, and then the Mercedes logo right there, and then you have the front bumper, which is quite big. And then I believe this is supposed to be for you to tow or maybe to pull a certain car out, maybe sort of like when you're stuck in the rainforest or something like that. Yeah, this side is much more better than the other side. I'm not sure what happened to mine. It's either there was a sticker placement error, or maybe it's just a normal error, or well, it happened to all of the castings. I'm not sure about that, but yeah, that's quite interesting. You have two plastic black rear tires at the back here, extra tires, and then you have this container, I guess, sort of like containers at the back here. One huge exhaust pipe to the back. I'm not sure what this is, but yeah, here's the back. I do not see the rear lights, but okay. Yeah, you have a big rear bumper as well. Pretty cool. Obviously the base is in black, as you can see right here. 2018 Mattel, made in Malaysia, and what does it say right there? Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300. Okay. But overall, I like this version and color of this Mercedes Unimog. It's pretty cool, pretty nice, and I wouldn't say pretty clean as well, but well, it is quite nice and great looking. But yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300 Hot Wheels. Oh my god, it fell down. Yeah, that is my review of it. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.